Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust the split screen ratio on Magic V6. So, if you want to adjust your split screen ratio, if you want one app to be bigger than the other, what you guys want to do is first start a split screen. So you can do that on a foldable like this from your taskbar. You can use the quick layout, and here once you press it, you need to tap two icons. And as you guys can see here, we have the split screen. So what are we gonna do now is we're gonna grab the middle line right here, those three dots, and we can release to enlarge one window, and now we can tap between them so this app is bigger. Now we can also revert it back. So now as you guys can see, we're still having two apps enlarged, but we're just made them both bigger. Here we can make one bigger, and now the same one, as you guys can see, to shrink, and now they're back to normal. So that's how you guys can easily adjust the split screen ratio on that phone. It's really smooth and really easy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.